Do you feel heavy and sleepy after dinner? Do you sit down and stay on the sofa all night? I want to show you one small thing that can help. It is easy, it is free, and it feels good. Are you ready? Welcome to the English Flow podcast. My name is Lucas. I am so happy you are here. Before we start, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. When you subscribe, you help this channel grow and you will not miss the next easy English lesson. It is free and it takes 1 second. Thank you, my friend. Today we talk about one simple habit. Take a short walk after dinner. That is it. You eat your food, then you go outside, then you walk slowly for a few minutes. It is not a race. It is not exercise for strong people. It is a slow, easy walk. Anyone can do it. You can do it too. So why is this good for you? Let me tell you in simple words. When you eat, your stomach has a lot of work to do. A slow walk, it helps your stomach feel light. You do not feel so full. Many people say they feel better after a short walk. Not tired, not heavy, just calm. Here is another good thing. A walk after dinner can help you sleep. When you sit all night and look at your phone, your mind stays busy. But when you walk in the fresh air, your mind gets quiet. You breathe slow. You look at the sky. You relax. Then, at night, sleep comes more easy. Good sleep is a gift, and a walk can help you get it. Now, how long do you need to walk? Not long. You do not need 1 hour. You do not need a big plan. 10 minutes is good. Even 5 minutes is good. Walk to the end of your street and come back. Walk around your block 1 time. Small is fine. The important thing is that you do it. A little walk every day is better than a long walk 1 time a month. Let me give you a simple picture. It is 8 o'clock. You just finished dinner. Your plate is empty. You feel full. Old you would sit on the sofa, but new you stands up. You put on your shoes. You open the door. You step outside. The air is cool and fresh. You walk slow. You see the evening sky. You feel your body wake up a little. 10 minutes later, you come home. You feel good. That is the whole habit. If you made the stimmt like great in today each taking, either squee up raisins have reigned, you're to whether ethering someone need to thou killiers through a how to cool array at it. That it's cod. What if it is cold? Or it rains? That is okay. You have choices. You can wait for the rain to stop. You can wet or rains. You can wear a warm coat. Or you can walk inside your home, from room to room for a few minutes. The place is not the point. The habit is the point. Move your body a little after you eat. That is all. Let me give you some easy words to remember. Walk. Evening. Slow. Fresh air. Calm. Say them with me. Walk. Evening. Slow. Fresh air. Calm. These are small, simple words, but you will use them a lot in real life. Try to make 1 sentence. I take a slow walk in the evening. Good, you just spoke English. Here is a fun idea that helps you 2 times. When you walk after dinner, put on your headphones and listen to English. Listen to this podcast. You get the good habit for your body. and you get English practice for your brain, both at the same time. Your walk becomes your English class. 10 quiet minutes a day, and your ears learn fast. You will hear the words. You will feel the rhythm. Little by little, English will feel easy. So let me say it one more time in a simple way. Try it tonight. After you eat, do not sit right away. Stand up. Go outside. Walk slow for 5 or 10 minutes. Breathe the fresh air. Feel calm. Do this every evening, and soon it will feel normal. It will feel like part of your day. One small step every night. You can do it. A short walk after dinner helps your stomach feel light. It helps your mind feel calm. It helps you sleep better. You only need 5 or 10 minutes, and you can listen to easy English while you walk. That is a lot of good from one small habit. Very most small habit. In the next episode, we will talk about how to be kind to yourself. A warm and gentle lesson you will love. So please subscribe to our YouTube channel so you do not miss it. Thank you for walking with me today, my friend. This is Lucas from the English Flow podcast. Take care and see you next time.